Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. It's a Yanmar F265D. It's a 31 horsepower four-wheel drive tractor. One of the bigger tractors I've ever gotten in before. Really nice shape. It's got the auto tilt 3-point. So if you want to tilt the whatever you have on the back, if you want to tilt that box scraper, you just push the button and it goes just by pushing the button. Brand new loader, 5-foot bucket on it, lift up over about 7.5 feet, fill it up with rocks. As long as you have it balanced in the back, it'll lift it. Great shape for such a big tractor. Just over 2,000 hours on it. You know, these things will get 15,000-20,000 hours on them before you have to do anything to them. It's got the on and off 4-wheel drive, 3 drive gears, 3 main gears, 4-speed PTO, locking differential. There's your controller for your auto tilt. Nice shape. No rust on this thing. Paint's kind of worn out a little bit, but no rust. Which means it was probably out in the sun, but somebody still took care of it. Tires are in excellent shape, front and rear. It's got a little ding there. I know the headlights work, the horn works. Doesn't blow smoke. This will not fit through a 4-foot gate. Just about every tractor I've ever had will fit through a 4-foot gate. This one won't. This is about right around 50 inches wide. If you look at that box scraper, it's 4 foot wide, and this thing's about an inch on each side of that. Nice little handy dandy toolbox. It's still on it. Most of them are broken off. This is fitted for a rollover, ROP in the tractor lingo here. All you have to do is make a part for the top rollover. The hard part's already done. It's already been fitted to the axle. Yeah, really nice tractor. Completely serviced. No smoke, no oil leaks. Tractor like this, you'd think it would blow all kinds of smoke, be leaking all over the place, but nothing. Not on this one. Got a new seat. Yeah, the steering wheel's not even cracked. Go ahead, start it up here. Make sure it's out of gear, because I don't think it is. Yes, it is. You can see it doesn't blow any smoke. Still has the rear view mirror on it. Most of them are cracked or broken or missing completely. Back up a little bit, see a little bit better view of this thing. Okay, if this thing is sitting by a Volkswagen Beetle, it's just about the same height. So I'll put that picture on my website. Show how tall this thing actually is. This isn't some little tiny tractor. It's still a Category 1 tractor, but it's right at the top range of a Category 1. You can still fit any implement on it you want. This will take a backhoe, really nice. Post hole digger. Anyhow, there it is. Yanmar F265D, 31 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel, excellent shape. You want to see this tractor, you want to see implements that we have box scrapers, backhoes, brand new post hole diggers. Go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.